What's up guys? Welcome back to another awesome Blender video. Today we will be making this delicious Oreo biscuit using Blender 3D. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. First, add a UV sphere. Go to side view and delete half of the faces. Press it to select all of the faces. Scale them down on the Z-axis by pressing S, Z, and 0. Select the middle faces and delete them. Now switch to edge mode and select these edges. After that, go to face and choose grid fill. Select all the faces again, then right-click and choose subdivide. Subdivide the faces to times. Press E to extrude the faces upward. Press Ctrl R to add an edge loop here. Select all the faces, then go to overlays and enable normals. In my case, it's facing outside. If yours is facing inside, press Alt and choose recalculate outside. Go to the UV editing. Let's add the Oreo PNG. I will put a link in the description in case you want to get it. Select all the faces, then press U and choose Project from View. Scale up the UV to match the Oreo image. Go back to Layout and add a Displace modifier. Create a new texture, then go to the Texture Properties. Now add the Oreo PNG. Reduce the strength of the Displace modifier to 0.02. Add a subdivision surface modifier and move it above the Displace modifier. Increase the levels viewport to 2, then right-click and choose Shade Smooth. Add a Smooth modifier and increase the repeat value to 2. If you don't like the size of the biscuit, go to Edit mode and scale it up on the Z-axis. Duplicate the biscuit and move it downward. Add a cylinder and scale it down on the Z-axis. Now, scale the cylinder evenly by pressing S, Shift, then Z. Add a subdivision surface modifier and increase the levels viewport to 2. Switch to face mode and select these two faces. Press Ctrl B to bevel the edges. Go to Transform Pivot Point and choose 3D Cursor. Now select all of the biscuit and rotate 90 degrees on the X-axis. Let's go to the Shading tab, select one of the biscuit shells, and create a new material. Change the color to a dark brown. Add a noise texture. Add a color ramp and connect the noise texture's color to the color ramp's factor. Move the white and black colors a bit closer to each other. Connect the color ramp's color to the principal BSDF's roughness. Increase the noise texture scale to 90 or 100 and the details to 20. Add a bump node and connect the color ramp's color to the bump node's height. Then connect the bump node's normal to the principal BSDF's normal. Reduce the bump node strength to 0.05. Select the second biscuit shell, go to the material drop-down, and select the brown color. Select the white filling cream and create a new material. That's it for the video. Guys, if you want to see how I made the render, watch till the end.